Welcome back to City's Pulse Explorers. Cortona City Tour. Discover Tuscany's hidden gem. Today, we journey to Tuscany, a land of rolling hills, golden sunlight, and timeless beauty. Our destination is Cortona, a hilltop jewel where history and charm meet. Imagine ancient stone walls, winding cobblestone streets, and breathtaking views. Cortona is alive with vibrant piazzas, artisan shops, and the flavors of Tuscany. Here, every corner invites you to explore, connect, and savor the magic of Tuscany. The city of Cortona is waiting to share its stories and timeless magic with you. Let's begin. Long before Cortona became a medieval stronghold, it was a vital center of the mysterious Etruscan civilization. Over 3,000 years ago, the Etruscans settled this strategic hilltop, leaving behind masterful stonework and artisan carvings. The massive cyclopean stones in Cortona's city walls are a testament to their engineering prowess. After the Etruscans, the Romans left their own mark, followed by the city's transformation in the Middle Ages. Cortona blossomed into a powerful, independent city-state, its skyline defined by palaces, bell towers, and fortified gates. The city's medieval charm is everywhere, from narrow alleys to lively piazzas. Today, Cortona's vibrant squares blend centuries of history with daily life. Here, the past and present coexist, making Cortona a living tapestry of history. Our exploration of Cortona begins in its very soul, the Piazza della Repubblica. This bustling square has been Cortona's social and civic heart for over 8 centuries. Locals gather for coffee, children play, and visitors soak in the timeless ambiance. Sunlit stone facades and green shutters create a stunning backdrop for daily life. Medieval towers stand beside Renaissance palaces, each telling a story of Cortona's past. The piazza's rhythm is the heartbeat of Cortona, inviting you to linger and discover its enduring charm. Dominating the Piazza della Repubblica is Cortona's most iconic landmark, the Palazzo Comunale, or Town Hall. With its formidable stone structure and dramatic staircase, it stands as a symbol of Cortona's proud medieval history. The tall bell tower, crowned with Ghibelline crenellations, rises above the rooftops, a landmark seen for miles. From the loggia, city leaders once addressed the public, overlooking the bustling piazza below. Today, the Palazzo Comunale remains the heart of civic life, a bridge between Cortona's medieval past and vibrant present. Would you like to visit this historic landmark? Let us know in the comments if Cortona is on your travel list. Our journey leads us up the steep, winding path to the Basilica di Santa Margherita, perched high above Cortona. This climb is a pilgrimage, rewarding us with breathtaking views and a sense of peace. The basilica's striking neo-Gothic facade stands out against the Tuscan sky. Inside, vibrant frescoes and stained glass fill the space with color and light. At the altar rests St. Margaret's incorrupt body, a powerful symbol of devotion. From the terrace, Cortona and the rolling Tuscan landscape unfold before you, a truly unforgettable view. In the heart of Cortona stands the Cathedral of Santa Maria Assunta, its simple Renaissance facade overlooking a peaceful square. Built over ancient Roman temple ruins, the cathedral's clean lines and modest design reflect centuries of history and faith. Inside, graceful stone columns and beautiful artworks, including Pietro da Cortona's Adoration of the Shepherds, invite quiet reflection. From the piazza, gaze out over the city walls and Tuscan Valley, feeling the deep connection between Cortona's spirit, art, and landscape. Our journey continues ever higher, past the Basilica of Santa Margherita, to the very crown of Cortona. Here stands the formidable fortress of Girifalco, built by the Medici in the 16th century atop ancient foundations. Its bastions and thick walls once guarded Cortona, a stone sentinel over the valley. Today, the fortress is a vibrant cultural venue, hosting art and community events. And from its ramparts, breathtaking panoramic views unfold. Cortona and Tuscany at your feet. Leaving the fortress behind, we descend into the heart of Cortona to explore its greatest treasure, an enchanting labyrinth of narrow cobblestone streets. These twisting alleyways reveal the city's true character. Here, daily life pulses through ancient stone veins polished by centuries of footsteps. Look up to see terracotta roofs, green shutters, and balconies overflowing with flowers. Every turn offers a new surprise, a hidden courtyard, a chapel, or a breathtaking valley view. Don't miss Vicolo Ginelli, home to one of Cortona's oldest medieval houses. Getting lost here isn't a risk, it's the best way to discover Cortona's soul. Cortona's cobblestone streets are alive with artisans, shopkeepers, and cafés, each adding their own flavor to daily life. Discover handmade treasures and time-honored crafts, lovingly created by local families. Join locals for espresso at a bustling cafe, or linger over cappuccino and conversation. Savor authentic Tuscan cuisine in cozy, family-run trattorias. Here, warm hospitality and shared stories turn every visit into a cherished memory. It's easy to fall in love with Cortona. Let us know in the comments if you plan to visit. Planning your Tuscan dream? Visit Cortona in spring or autumn for vibrant landscapes and fewer crowds. Stay within the ancient city walls for an immersive experience, or choose a countryside villa for tranquility. Arrive via Florence, Perugia, or Rome, then rent a car or take the train. Explore Cortona on foot, pack comfortable shoes for the charming cobblestone streets. Slow down, soak in the atmosphere, and let Cortona's timeless beauty work its magic. Before you leave Cortona, there's one place you simply can't miss: the MAEC, or the Museum of the Etruscan Academy, and of the city of Cortona. Housed in the historic Palazzo Comunale, this remarkable museum is a journey through time, offering a fascinating glimpse into Cortona's ancient roots and vibrant cultural heritage. Step inside to discover treasures from the Etruscan civilization, including stunning bronze artifacts, intricate jewelry, and the famed Tabula Cortonensis, a rare bronze tablet inscribed in the mysterious Etruscan language. Marvel at Roman mosaics, medieval relics, and Renaissance masterpieces, each piece telling a story of Cortona's evolving identity. The MAEC isn't just about ancient history, it's a living archive that connects past and present. Interactive exhibits and thoughtfully curated galleries make it engaging for all ages, while panoramic windows offer breathtaking views over the Valdichiana Valley. Whether you're a history enthusiast or a curious traveler, the MAEC is the key to understanding Cortona's soul. It's a place where art, archaeology, and storytelling come together, inviting you to step into the layers of time that make this hilltop town so unforgettable. Would you visit the MAEC? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear if this incredible museum is on your travel list. As twilight settles over Cortona's ancient rooftops, the town transforms into a lively playground for night owls and culture seekers alike. First up is Bar Signorelli, right on the iconic Piazza della Repubblica. This beloved local hangout is the heart of Cortona's social scene, where laughter and conversation spill out onto the square. Sip a classic Negroni or their signature Cortona Spritz as you soak in the historic charm and vibrant energy, perfect for people watching and starting your night in style. Next, step into La Loggetta Wine Bar, tucked beneath medieval arches overlooking the piazza. This cozy bohemian spot is a haven for wine lovers. With candlelit tables and shelves lined with Tuscan vintages, it's the perfect place to linger over a glass of Vino Nobile di Montepulciano, sometimes accompanied by mellow live music. For a modern twist, Tuscany'S Café is your go-to for craft cocktails and a hip, energetic crowd. Its stylish decor and creative bartenders make every visit a new adventure. Don't miss their Tuscan Mule, a refreshing local spin on the classic, featuring regional ginger beer and local vodka. It's a favorite among both locals and travelers. Rounding out the list is the Lion's Well, Cortona's legendary late-night pub. With its friendly international vibe, it's the place to go when you want the party to keep going. From refined wine bars to bustling pubs, these four venues capture the essence of Cortona's nightlife: connection, celebration, and unforgettable evenings. Whether you're toasting under the stars or dancing to local tunes, Cortona's nightlife hotspots promise memories that will last long after the night ends. If you're craving a dose of retail therapy during your Tuscan escape, you'll be pleased to know that Cortona sits within easy reach of some of Central Italy's best shopping destinations. Whether you're seeking designer labels, local crafts, or unique souvenirs, these four shopping hotspots promise a little something for every traveler. First up is Valdichiana Village, just a short drive from Cortona. This open-air outlet mall features over 140 stores, including Italian and international brands like Prada, Nike, and Guess. With frequent sales and a relaxed, village-like atmosphere, It's the perfect place to pick up high-quality fashion at a fraction of the price. Stroll tree-lined avenues, enjoy a cappuccino at one of the cafés, and browse everything from shoes to homewares. Next, head to Arezzo's Centro Commerciale Sette Ponti. This modern shopping center offers a convenient mix of well-known Italian retailers, electronics stores, and a large supermarket, ideal for picking up essentials or gifts. The attached food court is a great spot to sample local snacks after a busy day of browsing. For a taste of luxury, make your way to the Mall Firenze, about an hour's drive from Cortona. This designer outlet is a magnet for fashion lovers, with boutiques from Gucci, Valentino, and Dolce & Gabbana, all offering significant discounts. Set amidst the rolling Tuscan hills, the mall combines elegant shopping with beautiful views, an experience in itself. Finally, don't miss the charming boutiques of Cortona's own Via Nazionale. This bustling main street is lined with independent shops selling handmade ceramics, leather goods, and artisan jewelry. It's the perfect place to find one-of-a-kind treasures and support local craftsmanship. From outlet bargains to artisan finds, these shopping destinations make Cortona a true haven for travelers who love to shop. Take a piece of Tuscany home with you, and let your memories linger long after your visit. As the sun sets over Cortona's terracotta rooftops, it's easy to see why this city has enchanted visitors for centuries. Cortona is more than its ancient walls and breathtaking views. It's a feeling. It's the peace in a quiet church, the joy of a hidden alleyway, and the warmth of a shared meal. Every stone tells a story, where past and present blend under the Tuscan sun. From lively piazzas to tranquil landscapes, Cortona's magic is a quiet enchantment that lingers. It leaves a mark on your memory, a longing to return before you've even left. So as we say goodbye, we hope you're inspired to discover Cortona's magic for yourself. Thank you for joining us on City's Pulse. Kindly like, subscribe, and share this video. See you in the next video.